How to fix can't use this folder to protect your privacy. If any day you have the very cheap extractor on your mobile device and you're facing the problem like this on it and you do not know how you can solve the problem, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the option of search there on your mobile device and then you have to search cheap extractor. After you find it, you have to tap on it for a while and then you have to go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, now you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of permissions like this. Now since if we do not require any of the permission, it will be shown no permission allowed here. So we have to allow the permission to everything. Our camera, location, photos and videos and all of those. After that we can go back and then go to the option of set as default. Here you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, now you have to tap on the option of storage. If you see any of the cache here, you have to clear down the cache and then go back again. Now tap on the option of app details in store. After tapping on app details in store, now if you see the option of update out here, you have to update your very application and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.